Hey planner babes, it's Mandy from Create with Mandy, and today I'm going to be unboxing my squad box. It's right here. And I'm so excited. I've been waiting for it, and it is full of the new Happy Planners back to school release. And this actually goes live tomorrow at 9 a.m. Pacific, 12 p.m. Eastern, my time. So I will have all the details below for you, and I didn't get everything, so there's so much more that I don't have to show you that you can browse and maybe you want as well. So I'll have the links to what I got as well as like my affiliate link down below, which if you purchase using my affiliate link, there's no cost to you and it helps me out a lot and makes it easier for me to make this kind of fun content for you. So let's see what else. Launches tomorrow. There's also some coupon codes, and I'll put those down in the description since I don't have them memorized. But basically, it's the buy more, save more. So like a higher discount the more you purchase. And I think that's it. But if I didn't cover anything, it'll be down in the description. So anyway, let's get started. So I'm gonna do like a detailed flip through for like the planners and the stickers, but I'm just gonna show you everything I got. First thing on top, I'm so glad that I got the tie-dye planner and all the accessories and stuff. I'm so excited. This one is so cute. I'm thinking I might want to use it. Like, it's so cute. It's got these like lavender like glitter discs, but they're really light. Yeah. And the best thing about this is that it's a vertical layout and it's super neutral. So it's not a student layout, although like it's meant to be like a student planner, but completely neutral. And then I'm sure the dividers are really cute. But I'll flip through this one with the other stuff as well so you can see like a detail, but I'm so glad I got that one. Okay, next is the matching Happy Notes. So this is a big size, so it's 8.5 by 11, 11 discs, and this has lined paper. And super cute, the same like theme, tie-dye matches. I'll flip through that later as well. And also I forgot to mention, but this starts in August, so perfect for students, and I think it's probably backwards, is it? But starts in August, so it's kind of more student related, or you know, students start in August. But anyway, I think I want to use it. I'll have to see how that works for me since it starts in August, not July. Okay, to go along with it, I've got the sticker. So excited. This is just a 5-page sticker pack, but still great. Maybe you don't want the whole sticker book, then this is perfect for you. 5 pages. I think these are $5.99. So cute. All right, more in that collection is plastic envelopes. So you get 3 of them. These are perfect size for like receipts or money or whatever, but they're really great. Let's go ahead and just open them now. I won't flip through this in a separate one since it's pretty straightforward. 3 envelopes. They're classic size, but they could fit in a big as well since you can always fit the smaller size in the bigger planner. So this one says, live a life of endless wonder. This one says, good vibes, how cute. And then this final one says, oh, how lovely. It is lovely, love these. Okay, and next thing in that collection is the pen pouch. So cute, it's got a gold zipper, white on the inside. It's like this silicone material and a really light tie-dye pattern. It's really cute. I think out of all of those like silicone pencil cases that they've done, I think this is my favorite and I might like really try to use this one. I've gotten so many though, but I'm gonna try to use this one. All right, and then I don't know if this is part of the collection or not, but this cute little pencil case doesn't say like if it's part of that collection or whatever, but it's really cute as well. It does have a band so you can like wrap it around your planner and it'll just sit right on top, but that's really cute as well. I love those soft pastel colors. And this would just be great as like a toiletries bag, or you know, literally you could use this for anything. It doesn't have to be pens, so I think that's awesome as well. All right, now let's see. Got some big accessories. So I'm gonna probably use these in my notebook that I got, this one. But these are big bookmarks, which they're like so huge. I feel like I haven't seen big bookmarks before. So let me open them up. This is part of the teacher collection, but obviously you don't have to be a teacher to use them. So the first one is really cute. It's like pencils, and it's really like light and neutral. Let's get that closer. It's really cute. Next one is like blue with like these gold spots, and they're like irregular spots. They're not like perfect circles, so that's really cute. And then the last one says, start each day with a grateful heart. That is really cute too. Pretty like simple and looks very much like the Happy Planner. So that is the big bookmarks. Okay, I also got big filler paper. Let me go ahead and open this up. I won't flip through it in a separate video. So really it's just gonna be the two notebooks, or the planner and the notebook, and then all the stickers I'll do in their own separate videos, since that is the good stuff. Okay, so this is the paper. It says happy notes. It says 1, 2, 3. It doesn't say. Has a 1, 2, 3, like a dots for a checklist, and then a dot grid over here. In the bottom, it has a cute little take note. And then the back is just blank dot grid. So that's really good and functional. Like that, you get like, let's see how many pages. You get 40 sheets of them. That's a lot. And they look to be all the same. So there's one like pattern. There's no like multiple patterns or anything. So there you go, big filler paper. That's cute. All right, and then I got some classic size filler paper too. So that one, I don't know what collection it is, but you could obviously use it if you're a student, teacher, anything you could use it for. This one, I'm sure is part of like, you know, the student or teacher line, but you definitely, again, it's not student or teacher related. This one's really cute. I love the bold black like accent today and like cute rainbows. Check it off with dots. And then, does that say important? With some lines, and then a grid over here. You got cute star details like on the punch marks. And then on the back is the bold like black border and then grid on the inside. So that's really cute. Love that one. It says do all the things in rainbow. So I really like that filler paper. And that one, you get 40 sheets as well. Looks like one design. And there you go, it's really cute. I'm sure, like I was saying, it was part of the student or teacher, but you definitely do not have to be a student or teacher to use this. It's very versatile. So there you go. Okay, then I got parts. So they like released some more stuff in the, like that's part of the Indigo collection. So there was planners, notebooks, sticker books, some accessories, but now there's even more because it is amazing. So this is sticky notes. So it's awesome because they come on a little like dashboard. So I'll open it up. But this is pretty much how all of the sticky note pads have always been. It's like a paper dashboard. It's not like that hard plastic. Here's the back, it's just blank. Ooh, one fell off. But here they are. They're really cute. Love all the designs. Goes perfectly with the whole Indigo collection. Obviously, it's part of that. And yeah, stick that one back on there. Yeah, how cute. Might have fallen off because the squad gets like samples. So I don't know if these are the same exact products that like are being sold. So I probably wouldn't expect the sticky note to fall off when you buy one. Okay, next is more Indigo collection stuff, and this is the accessory and pen storage pack. So this comes with 3 different like storage boxes. They're all the same pattern. I don't know if I want to take them out right now, but here are the 3 different ones. It would be hard for me to show you because they are pretty large and that you have to assemble them, but it's really easy. You just kind of tear off like a little like adhesive strip and like fold it over, and then it's like all set up. But you get 3 different types. So one is like this kind of like a notebook with room for like sticker books. One is the sticker storage, and then one is actually like a pen storage. And I have all of them except for the pen storage. So here's an example of the sticker storage. Cute. And then the accessory storage is this one right here, which is kind of heavy to get down, but I mean, you can kind of see. it's like horizontal rather than like vertical, like the way you like put it on a shelf or something, but anyway, you can see. But they're so pretty, so we finally have some matching ones for that. And last but not least, I got stickers, of course. So I got 3 sticker books. So excited. First one is called Rock This, and it's a teacher one, but it's really cute. There's like some really cute like Monstera leaves in here. I know, yeah, like that. So cute, so I can't wait to use that one. Flip through in another video, and once those are up, which will be like probably tomorrow, I will go ahead and link them below. So if you are watching this video a little bit late, I can just put all those videos down there if you just want to go right now and go watch that flip through. Next, I got Fancy Florals. I'm excited about this. Super sophisticated and pretty. It goes really well with sophisticated florals. It is meant for a big planner, so the boxes are sized for a big. So you can see this first page here. There's only 4 boxes, and they're large. But that's okay, because I will show you guys how you can use this in a classic size planner. Easy, really easy. So I'll definitely be doing that in the next couple weeks or so. And then the one I'm really excited about is Out for Adventure. It's really cute, tropical, and they're these super cute like girl stickers in there. Let me go find a page of them. Like, how adorable. They're like Squad Girls, but they're their own thing. And they're very like tropical. They're like on vacation or something. But they are so cute. This book is so cute. I'm really excited about this one. And there's one other book that I totally forgot the name of, and I didn't get in this box, but I am just so excited. I'm definitely buying it tomorrow as soon as the release goes live. It's like this super cute, like rad retro one. Oh man, I wish I had the name. Maybe I'll put it right here. Because I remember I can edit after, you know, I'm filming here. So I'll put the name right here, but I'm so excited for that one too. I'm gonna buy it right away, and I wish I'd got that one, but it's okay. I'm gonna buy it. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and look down below in the description for, you know, the links to everything and the links to the videos for these guys if you're gonna watch them after. And I'm so excited and so grateful. So thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.